Welcome to Dining at Home with Sauce and Verstegen. In this section we're going to be having a look at some slow cooked meats. So we've been using the 10 selected sauces again, but we've just made 3 dishes here that are real cream of the crop that are going to really get your customers going.
Yeah.
So we've got the beef ribs here, nice chunky beef short ribs, slow cooked with a smoky barbecue sauce on the top there. We've done the chicken legs with a honey and mustard sauce, again slow cooked, so we render the fat out of the chicken legs. And we've done a really luxury dish on the end there, which is the slow cooked duck legs with the oriental black bean sauce. Amazing. I mean, they look absolutely incredible, don't they?
Brilliant.
Fantastic. So we'll have a little talk through the beef ribs. So with these, it's a really simple process. All we've done is we've trimmed up the beef ribs, we drop them into a boilable vacuum bag, and we add in the Verstegen barbecue marinade. Seal those up in the bag, and then we cook them in the Rationale oven on steam. I mean, we've actually done a masterclass on the slow cooked meats, so if you wanted to go back and have a little look at that,
look, so simple and easy.
There's all the information that you need there. I mean, when they come out of the Rationale, these have been done for about 4 hours, but you could cook them on the overnight setting as well.
Yeah, it'd be easier when you're not there. Oven do the work for you.
Perfect, yeah. Once they've cooled down, we take off the excess juices and just pour over the smoky barbecue sauce, and you get a beautiful slow.
How simple, and that's restaurant quality.
Oh, it is.
All day.
Yeah, I mean, once those are heated up, they sort of fall apart. You could shred them up and do like pulled beef sandwiches and all sorts with them.
Beautiful.
Brilliant. Do you want to talk us through the chicken legs?
Yeah, virtually the same process, Matt. So what we've done, we used the Verstegen Dijon marinade with this one. In the vacuum bag, same again. In the steam oven for, I think, about 3 or 4 hours with these ones, isn't it?
Smashing.
Take them out, pat them off, same again. All that fat's been rendered down. A little bit of honey and mustard sauce on the top, and I think the look says it all.
Oh, they do that, yeah.
And then we go on to the luxury one, Matt.
So fantastic. This is absolutely incredible. I mean, the duck legs are so popular, and it's a real luxury product, isn't it? And this, just really simple, we've used the Verstegen Ketjap Benteng marinade. It gives you the lovely oriental flavours. And then again, slow cooked exactly the same way as the rest, but we've just added on the black bean sauce. Yeah, and I mean the cooking process for your customers at home with these, you've taken the hard work out. You know, they don't want to stand and cook duck legs down and render the fat out of them, you know, on a Monday night when they finish work. That's the last thing they want to be doing.
Convenience.
Oh, definitely, but they want the luxury dining at home experience.
So we're giving it to them?
I hope so. One of the fantastic things about the 10 specially selected sauces is that we can take slightly cheaper cuts and we can make them into really premium meals that of course are going to return a huge profit for you.
That's it. Chicken legs is one.
Yes.
Pork collars.
Oh, definitely, yeah.
Even lamb shanks, shoulders of lamb, anything like that really.
Yeah, I mean in the masterclass we had a look and we did the oriental pulled pork.
That looked amazing.
Absolutely
very
fantastic, nice. Yeah, I think this is really the way forward, and it's what the end user wants. It's what that customer needs. They want something quick, easy, and luxurious.
Exactly.
So let's have a look at how we're going to package this up for our customers. So we're going to start off, we're using the semi-compostable trays from Enterpack. They're a brilliant tray, I mean bang on trend at the moment. They also go in the oven, they go in the microwave, and they can be frozen as well. So they're a real proper tray for the job. So all we're going to do here is we're just going to add our chicken legs in. So these have been lovely slow cooked chicken legs. We're just dropping those into our nice tray. Then we're going to drizzle over the lovely honey and mustard sauce. So this is one of my favourites out of the 10 selected sauces. It's absolutely incredible. And I mean this dish, taking 2 chicken legs, and I mean retail wise on this, I mean there's no reason why you wouldn't pay £3.5, £4 for a little tray like that. And then we can just drop those lovely chicken legs into our Enterpack machine, and that's going to seal and profile cut for us, and again give us that super professional look on the product. And
getting back to the machine, it's not going to heat the chicken up at all inside, is it?
That's it, yeah. We just get that perfect seal, all lovely profile cut. We can just take away the excess. And there, done and dusted. I mean, with
how easy,
a sleeve over the top of there, your lovely butcher's sticker, obviously your ingredients labels on there. It's you know, it's what the customers are buying.
Convenience again.
Oh, 100%, yeah. That straight onto the multi-deck and money in the till.